So I took the kayak out the other day, gave it a try. Had a little bit of luck, not much, but it's turned a lot colder. So I've gone back to the old school when they're not hitting the lures. Go back to the way Grandpa used to do it, and I was able to get a few. So I've been hunting a lot lately and trying to get some good hunting footage, but besides a few does, they're just not cooperating, but we're gonna keep trying. But here's what I did get. See you later. Got him. Man, what a tiny fish. Oh, I got a back paddle too. Look at this absolute micro bluegill. Good luck, buddy. Oh, got one. Got him. Come here. Feels decent. Feels decent. Nope. He's not that big. He's just a hard fighter. You sure do fight hard to be so small. That Georgia boy, buzz bait. All right, stocky little football. You did good. Dang. Hit it pretty hard. Pulling pretty good, whatever it is. Dang, what is that? Dang, man, what a freaking huge bluegill. Wow, that's got to be one of the biggest bluegills I've ever caught out of here. Look at that. Dang. Are we in frame? Yeah, man, that's got to be one of the biggest bluegills I've ever caught out of here. Nice. Let's get you back, big girl. Man. Try this nightcrawler on a 1/32 ounce jig head. What we got? It is a little bitty bluegill. You're too small to make the cut. Is that a bluegill or shellcracker? I don't know how to tell.
You're gonna fish something tonight down there at my neighbor's behind his house because it's so low. It's got one good deep part. I can throw my net down. I guarantee you.
Dang, that's pretty heavy. I got something pretty heavy, JT.
Do you?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a catfish.
You need to get you a little net to pop off your arm, like
I got one.
to attach it to your arm. That's a speckled cat, ain't it?
Brown bullhead. A brown bullhead.
Yeah, Gannies.
He's right back on it.
Those things got expensive.
Whoa! Another monster. God. I think that is a shellcracker.
You got 3 stripes on it. Like going up and down. On the side.
It doesn't have the vertical lines like a bluegill. I think that's a shellcracker. Ooh, nice form. Another brown bullhead.
Yeah.
Luckily we have a real man to Slimy. What I like about this pole, it don't matter what you catch, it feels huge. 5 foot ultralight.
Man, I can't find me one of them Gen 1 TXs. I have found one.
What is a Gen 1 TX?
22.
Oh, that's what I have. Dang, look at that little bitty. All right, what'd you learn? Where's all the big ones? Something pretty hefty again. No. Dang, how do you fight so hard to be so small?
Like a goldfish.
I know he's got some.
He's dense.
He's got some yellow in him, doesn't he?
Ain't silver going up right now? Did silver go up a bunch?
What is that? Man, he does. That's some weird color. How gold he is.
That's well, what you call it? See the 3 stripes down his back on the side?
That's a shellcracker?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, Goldilocks.
You got red eyes too.
Because, you know, a king, dang, whoa, fly fish. You know, because a king would totally tolerate this.
Oh, yeah.
You know, like if the people in his kingdom were protesting against him and making fun of him.
The ones in Chicago and Nashville now are glad he came. Because you got all them murderers.
Secretly, yeah. It's when the crime goes down, especially DC. When
the grown men can go out and walk to the store at night or during the day without worrying about getting shot by the youngsters.
Got him. Let's see what we got. Oh, pretty good bluegill. That's a cold fish. I like these hooks. I don't know what they're called. I ordered them off Amazon, but they are like seriously sharp. Is that a bluegill or shellcracker? That's a bluegill. Get out of here, boy. Oh, sorry. He'll be all right. Got him. Look at this monster. What do we got here? Little baby bluegill. I could put you on a hook and throw you back out there. There he goes. Oh, I need to be moving you to the other pond where there's. Did that fish just say something? All right, y'all. Well, as much as I'd like to sit here and catch tiny brim all day, I'm burning daylight and I've got to go get in the woods. So like, subscribe, comment, even if you just say hello, it really helps YouTube find me. So I will see y'all in the next one.